back. This is Ibrahim Quraishi here. We are going to do a quick session for installing VMware remote console setup, which is called VMRC. So to install VMRC, well, obviously to access the console, there are two ways. One, you can have the web console, which is basically what you get when you click on a VM. I'm trying to install a DNS server here using Photon, so I need to mount a ISO here. Number of ways we can mount it, but I found it easier to work on VMRC. So let's close this web console, and then we need to go action and go to console, and then you need to click on download VMRC. Once you hit on download VMRC, it will directly reach out to the internet and download this. If you don't have access to the internet, go online and search for VMRC on VMware, and you should be able to download the VMRC, which is a VMware remote console interface setup file. So once you launch this is where you will get to, and then you need to click on next, accept the terms and condition, next, install it on the default location, which is fine, and ready to upgrade. So I had VMRC running already with 6.7. I am upgrading this now because the new VMRC is also better with performance, and also main reason behind it is I upgraded my host to 6.7, and this is basically going to use new VMRC as well. And here, as you can see, version 7 build 15843.807, and it's been 7 hours since I installed it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I've created a new virtual machine with the ESX virtual machine compatibility version 7. So basically the hardware version of this one is quite good as well. So let's go back here. The setup is nearly done. Retry that. Not sure whether the let's close this. This was open in the background, that's why it was complaining. So once this is installed, you should be able to launch the console using VMRC as you would do with the web console as well. But the benefit which you'll get for using VMRC is you get better control, you can edit settings, you can mount an ISO. So while we have this time, I'm going to ask the opportunity to ask you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit like and share with your friend. There you go, it's all completed. Hit on finish. You will need to reboot the machine, which I'll do later. So click yes to restart now, or no for if you plan to restart later. So let's say no for the moment. Now when we go here on the console, you should be able to find launch remote console with VMRC. Wait a while for connecting. There you go, it has access to the console now, and this is how you install VMRC. Just to give you another extra benefit on this video, this is how you add a disk removable devices, CD drives, and you can go and select connect to ISO, connect to disk file ISO, and then you select that. Over here you should be able to mount the ISO, so I'm going to mount the PhotonOS ISO. Which is here, as you can see. You need to click, and by the way, when you click on the console you will not be able to get your mouse back until you press shift and control. Sorry, apologies. Another thing we need to remember is when you click on the console to use the console, to release the mouse from the console you need to press Ctrl and Alt. So if I click, so it's rebooting and I'm able to install PhotonOS now. But if I want to release my cursor, you need to press Ctrl and Alt, and there you go, you get the console back, sorry, the mouse back. And if you click on it, you're seeing that your mouse has disappeared, and it's basically because it's inside the console here. To release it, press Ctrl and Alt, and that's how you get your mouse back. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell on so that you get more updates from me. Thanks for watching. Enjoy watching. Cheers, bye. Thank you very much for watching. Comment down below and let me know if you liked today's topic. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell to get all new updates from me. My blog is agileops.co.uk. Be sure to subscribe to my blog, because all the videos which I am covering on my YouTube channel, I'll be posting blog posts around it, so you can follow with step-by-step instructions with screenshots. I would love to hear from you, so you can follow me on Twitter and send me a message on Twitter, or you can send me a direct message at Ibrahim Quraishi, as you can see here. Enjoy watching and keep sharing. Cheers, bye.